Do you still make special trips to the bank just to deposit a check? If you bank with Ally, you might be surprised at just how easy it is to skip the branch and get that money into your account, all without leaving your couch. Ally's mobile check deposit feature, known as Ally eCheck Deposit, is fast, free, and secure, letting you use your smartphone to deposit checks right into your Ally online savings, interest checking, or money market accounts. It's one of the best ways Ally helps you do your banking from anywhere. We're going to walk you through the simple steps right now. First, let's talk about the check itself. Before you even open the app, you must properly endorse the back of your check. This is a critical step. Make sure you sign your name, or the names of all payees if applicable, and just below the signature, write the phrase "for mobile deposit only." Some customers also include their Ally account number for extra security, which is a great practice. Now for the deposit. Step 1. Log into your Ally mobile app. Step 2. Select the account you want to deposit the check into, then tap Deposit Checks. Step 3. The app will prompt you to take pictures of your endorsed check. You'll take one photo of the front and one of the back. For the best image quality, make sure you take the photo in a well-lit area and place the check on a dark, non-reflective surface. You want to make sure all four corners of the check are visible and that there are no shadows. Step 4. After you've captured both images, you'll be asked to enter the amount of the check. Double-check that this amount matches the written amount on the check. Step 5. Finally, tap Submit Deposit. That's it. You'll get an email alert letting you know that Ally has accepted your check for processing. One important note on timing: if you submit your check deposit before 7 p.m. Eastern Time on a business day, Ally will begin processing it that evening. Deposits made after that time, or on a weekend or holiday, will begin processing on the next business day. And as always, you should hold on to the paper check for a short time after you receive confirmation that the funds have been successfully deposited, just in case. See how simple that is? No driving, no waiting, just a few taps and snaps on your phone. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.